हाँ जी, anybody able to do this? Do that?
Yes, sir.
Who has done?
Vasu, sir.
Vasu, you are done with this. Okay, very fine.
I have done also, sir.
Himanshu, okay. Okay. What about Utkarsh? उत्कर्ष नहीं हो पा रहा है? गौरव, what about you? Okay, ठीक है, no problem उत्कर्ष.
I'm trying.
Okay. ओके, चलो देखते हैं. Enough struggle. The VLOOKUP thing is a little bit tricky. Lookup. What is V? What is look? What is up? VLOOKUP. The lookup function is to look this value up and fetch another value from that table according to this value. We look up for this value in another table, and from another table हमें जो कुछ भी चाहिए matching this value, that will be fetched to our current table. पहला तो ये बताइए ऐसा करते ही क्यों होगा, ऐसा क्यों करता होगा कोई? Think about it. यार कस्टमर की सारी डिटेल यहाँ भी तो रखी जा सकती थी, वो अलग से टेबल बना के देने की क्या जरूरत थी मेरे को? यहीं पे जहाँ कस्टमर आईडी लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे बाकी सारी डिटेल भी तो रख सकते थे. Why there are two different data sets? मेरा काम मुश्किल कर दिया ना.
Simplify the data records.
So like we have a number of columns here. So we want just to get the few columns from the particular data. So we usually look up the values for particular data, so we can get 2-3 values which is important to us to analyze. Maybe
देखिए प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, we call it अभी soon enough you will realize that in data engineering this kind of this is not very this makes way too much sense. Think about it. अगर मैं कस्टमर आईडी की जगह यहाँ पर सारी डिटेल ऐड कर लूँ तो मेरे को सब लिखना पड़ेगा ना यहाँ पे, कस्टमर आईडी, कस्टमर नेम, जेंडर, एज. नाउ दिस इज डायनेमिक डेटा. डायनेमिक इन द सेंस, या रोज ही तो ऑर्डर आ रहे हैं किसी ना किसी के. दिस टेबल इज बीइंग अपडेटेड every day, maybe every hour, maybe every minute. Yes or no? So what if I am receiving 1000 orders every day? I will have to record 50 columns every day, 50 details. And think about it, अगर मैंने उस कस्टमर आईडी की कस्टमर आईडी जनरेट कर दी, and that data I have kept somewhere else. Now have a look at this kind of data. Now this is not dynamic in nature. This is static data basically. यार इस कस्टमर आईडी, मैंने अगर एक कस्टमर के लिए कस्टमर आईडी जनरेट कर दी, दिस कस्टमर इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज हिज नेम एवरी डे, नॉट हिज एरिया एवरी डे, जेंडर ऑफ कोर्स नॉट. You are getting my point. So rather than updating these kind of data repetitively in a dynamic data, because if I add all the columns here, I will have to every day I will have to update these extra 4, 5, 6 columns. To save me that trouble, what we have done, we have taken that static data out from this table, and that is sitting in some other Excel sheet or data set or server. और मुझे जब जरूरत होगी तब मैं उसका यूज करूंगा, अदरवाइज डेली मेरे को अपडेट करने के लिए ऐसी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. So these kind of dynamic data sets which is being updated regularly, these are called facts, fact tables. And the static data like customers, those are called dimension tables. Okay, you don't have to worry, you will learn that about in detail in your SQL module. So that is the logic here. Now problem is, suppose my analysis demands that I should know their age or maybe gender of these people. I don't have that ready here. So there are two lookup functions, HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. HLOOKUP is horizontal lookup. Will practically बहुत utility नहीं है उसका, लेकिन काम similar ही करता है वो भी. Practically more often you will come across cases of VLOOKUP. And how do we use? Let's initiate a calculated field equal to sign. I am calling the function VLOOKUP. As I start typing, it gives me auto suggestion. Just for the sake of readability, VLOOKUP. As soon as I initiate, it is asking me, what do you want to look up? What do I want to look up? I want to match this customer ID. So the lookup value is customer ID of this column of the first row. Then comma. Next it's asking me, what is the table array? Where is that array of values जहाँ पर मेरे को ये lookup करना है? This value I want to look this value up. Where is that table? So let's go to that table. This is that table. If you see, that formula is still here. It is waiting for me to select the table. So I choose this table. How do I choose? I click on the very first cell, Control Shift right and Control Shift down. तो सब कुछ सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा इस टेबल का. यस और नो? पहले राइट में भाग गए सब कुछ सेलेक्ट करते हुए, तो जहां तक ब्लैंक नहीं मिला सब कुछ सेलेक्ट हो गया. फिर नीचे भाग गए, सब कुछ सेलेक्ट, एवरीथिंग सेलेक्ट, डन विद दिस. So table array is selected. क्या क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? वी लुकअप, हमने लुकअप वैल्यू डिसाइड कर ली, वो उसका इंडेक्स बता रहा है H2. टेबल अरे, so table array can be in the same Excel sheet, it can be in a different Excel sheet, it can be entirely a different Excel workbook. No problem, I can select. It is showing me the index कि कहाँ जाना था. एक Excel sheet है online store customers dot XLSX, उसकी sheet 1 पे जाओ, उसकी sheet 1 पे ये सब select किया है आपने. So this is the array. Comma. Now after comma, it is asking me column index number. Now this is again a tricky thing. क्या पूछ रहा है वो? आपको कॉलम मैच करना था, तो कौन सी वैल्यू मैच करनी थी? कस्टमर आईडी. कस्टमर आईडी मैच करना था, तो हमने बोला कस्टमर आईडी लो और उसे सर्च कर दो. अब इसे कैसे पता चलेगा कि कौन से कॉलम में वो कस्टमर आईडी ढूंढे? तो कस्टमर आईडी वो कौन से कॉलम में ढूंढेगा? जो भी हमारे टेबल एरे में फर्स्ट कॉलम होगा, जो हमने टेबल एरे सेलेक्ट किया है. अब यहाँ पर वैसे ही बाय डिफॉल्ट ही वो सेलेक्टेड है ऑलरेडी, फर्स्ट कॉलम है कस्टमर आईडी. अदरवाइज मेरे को सिलेक्शन में कस्टमर आईडी फर्स्ट कॉलम होना चाहिए. मेरे को सिलेक्शन ऐसा करना था. फॉर नाउ काम आसान है, कस्टमर आईडी ही पहला कॉलम है, तो कस्टमर आईडी से जरा मार्क करना शुरू करें. मुझे कौन सा कॉलम उठाना है? अगर मेरे को जेंडर कॉलम उठाना हो तो कौन सा कॉलम नंबर है वो? इफ कस्टमर आईडी इज फर्स्ट कॉलम, वो कॉलम नंबर 1, 2, 3 एंड जेंडर हैपन्स टू बी द फोर्थ कॉलम. आप समझ रहे हैं ये बात? अगला आर्गुमेंट मेरे को बताना है कॉलम इंडेक्स. तो इंडेक्स मतलब कॉलम नंबर पूछ रहा है वो. तो जानना चाह रहा है कस्टमर आईडी से ये कॉलम नंबर कौन सा आया. इट इज कॉलम नंबर 4. so I am entering that. So column index number is 4 and finally comma, there is last parameter जिसे वो बोल रहा है range lookup. यहाँ पर यूजुअली आप false रखेंगे बिकॉज शायद देख के समझ आ जाए. लास्ट आर्ग्यूमेंट इज लॉजिकल इन नेचर, ट्रू और फॉल्स रखना है. ट्रू फॉर अप्रोक्सीमेट मैच, कि सारी वैल्यूज नहीं भी मिलती, एक आधी मिसमैच भी हो जाए तो चलेगा. बट दिस इज नॉट वेरी प्रैक्टिकल फॉर आवर पर्पज, क्योंकि कस्टमर आईडी अगर एक डिजिट आगे पीछे हुआ कस्टमर ही बदल जाएगा. सो आई एम कॉलिंग फॉल्स. फॉल्स स्टैंड फॉर एग्जैक्ट मैच. मेरे को बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट मैच चाहिए, नथिंग लेस नथिंग मोर. सो फॉल्स एंड फाइनली ब्रैकेट क्लोज. करके देखिए कितनों लोगों को कुछ एरर आ गया है, कुछ अनएक्सपेक्टेड आ गया है. कितने लोगों को सब कुछ ठीक ठाक आ गया है? तो जरा बताइए जल्दी से. एवरीथिंग इज हियर इन स्टेप्स. हमने वहां पर बताया कौन सी लुकअप करनी है वैल्यू. वर्टिकली. वर्टिकली मतलब इस कॉलम में जब वो ढूंढे तो वर्टिकली ढूंढना शुरू करे. पहले ये जहां भी उसे मैच मिल जाए देखता हुआ चला जाए वर्टिकली, फर्स्ट वन से स्टार्ट करके नीचे तक, और जहां भी उसे मैच मिल जाए इस टेबल अरे में एंड फाइनली इट इज टेलिंग मी कि जेंडर क्या होगा. एवरीबडी गॉट दिस? जिनसे ये जेंडर नहीं आ रहा है, हाँ तो आ क्या रहा है? रेफरेंस एरर आता है। ओके निखिल, जेंडर इज रिटन बिकॉज तुमने यहाँ पे कर दिया है, कस्टमर आईडी लुकअप कर दिया, यहाँ कॉलम हेडर लुकअप कर रहे हो। कॉलम हेडर लुकअप नहीं करना है मेरे को, ये वैल्यू लुकअप करनी है। कस्टमर आईडी जो लिखा हुआ था 12583 मैंने वो रेफर किया था यहाँ पे। H2 देख रहे हो, H1 तो नहीं आ रहा है तुम्हारे उसमें? H1 तो नहीं हो गया है H2 की जगह निखिल? Gaurang, your selection is wrong in this sheet selection, जहाँ शीट आप देख रहे थे निखिल। मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ये H2 की जगह कुछ और गलत हो गया। गौरंग, हाँ ये देखना शीट का डेफिनेशन सही डिफाइन हुआ है क्या? ये जो सिलेक्शन था आपका वो तो गलत नहीं हुआ है। ओके ठीक है। हाँ नहीं, हाँ यू गॉट अ प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज NA नहीं आना चाहिए था। NA इज और डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ है। नेहा, आई एम मेकिंग यू होस्ट, प्लीज।
Got it. Got it.
गॉट इट?
Yes.
वाओ।
Or Alok, is it something like when we are dealing with this kind of thing, we have one second. I have like two sheets. Okay. In sheet 2, I am trying to find the value of the gender, like whether he is male or female. Fine. So there I was writing the code equal to VLOOKUP, and then I have selected the column. I have selected the column, and for the second, the table array, right? I have gone to the sheet 1, right? From there, I have selected the entire row and the column for which I need to extract the value. And in that sheet only, do I have to, put the value, or I can come back to sheet 2 and again?
You can do that.
But when I'm, clicking the sheet 2, so in that particular time, I was not getting the value.
हाँ, something it might happen that क्या होता है जब आप शीट शफल करने का कोशिश करोगे, what will happen कि यहाँ फॉर्मूला में ना कुछ और एंटर हो जाएगा। जैसे यहाँ पर फॉर्मूला कुछ चल रहा है, एंड इफ मैं बाय मिस्टेक यहाँ पर क्लिक कर दूँ, यू सी वहाँ पर I7 एंटर हो गया है, जिसकी वजह से एरर आएगा।
Yes.
तो ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है, यू सी नाउ इट इज शोइंग रेड। So इसलिए it is a good idea that don't try to shuffle between the sheets because VLOOKUP is already tricky.
Okay.
So let's keep it simple. Okay.
Okay. Thank you all.
Okay, very fine. हाँ, sure, Keshav. I'll do a better thing. I got gender and I can replicate gender for everybody. So now I have gender for all the customers here. Can you people try to fetch age here? Can you try that by yourself, everybody? हाँ, Utkarsh, I'll take the question. Just do this one exercise first. Please, everybody, try to fetch the age of each customer here using that VLOOKUP thing. You know VLOOKUP, how do we use that? So I have to look up customer ID in the customers table, and depending upon that, I want to fetch age for each customer ID match.
Sir, my VLOOKUP isn't working again.
Somebody? Any question?
Yeah, this is Karan. This is Karan.
Yeah, Gaurang.
My VLOOKUP it's showing error again.
The VLOOKUP is showing error again. Okay. Okay, let's do one thing. Gaurang, you are host now. Please host the screen. Let's see. Let's see if I will be able to locate what is wrong here.
So, sir, here I'm writing this VLOOKUP. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, screen is visible now.
So, in the very first step, we are selecting this customer ID,
Correct.
and then I move to sheet 1 to select the range from where I need to select.
Okay, you have reached that sheet. So we will select it from right from the beginning. Gaurang, I need to select the entire table. So just press Control A. Either select everything. Mhm.
Need to select the whole table.
To select the full table, see if you try to drag it, maybe how long you will drag it. So better use Control Shift utility.
So selected the complete table. Am I doing it correct, sir?
Along with the column header, select everything. Okay, comma.
Okay. And now here I need to select the row of the gender column.
Column index number. Okay, let's count the column index number. That is 4.
Yeah.
In this table.
And then it
and
should
comma,
be false.
It should be false. Last one argument is false.
Okay, got it. Actually, I was selecting the first column only, the customer ID column.
So that's okay. Nitty-gritty things may happen.
I have a question. Now, just like Gaurang has done VLOOKUP things, after that we have to drag for all the cells because that one option double clicking is not there. That we double click the small square box and all the values appear or match.
Of course, well, I don't. Your voice was pretty distorted in between, so didn't get entirely.
Yes, sir. I was just saying that just like Gaurang has put the formula for VLOOKUP, then we get the male and age. After that, we have to drag for all the cells because I've been clicking the small box to match to get the values for all the customer ID. I'm not getting it.
It will not happen, Utkarsh, if just check this out. If there is a gap between columns, no, is there any blank column in between? Then this replication will not work.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Got it. So there should not be any blank column here. If your columns are huddled together, now this will work just fine.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Got it. Thank you, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay. Everybody able to do this for age? Could everybody fetch age onto this master table? Neha, you are done. Nikhil, you are done. Fantastic. Himanshu, Utkarsh, awesome. What about others? Vasu, done. Jayant, what about you? Rimya? Umangana, getting it? Okay. Keshav, got it?
Sir, in my case, there's an issue. Just like you drag the gender, the first column came to be M, and then it dragged it to the bottom, and the gender of each and every column shows up. But in my case, when I'm dragging it, only the first two columns are showing the gender, everything is showing is NA.
It is because you have manually dragged is it Utkarsh? No, Gaurang.
Yeah.
हाँ गौरांग, ये बिकॉज आपने मैनुअली ड्रैग किया है. देखो क्या हो जाता है, यू कैन सी ऑन माय स्क्रीन. जब आप मैनुअली ड्रैग करते हैं इन माय फार्मूला यू विल सी दिस इंडिसेस आर कमिंग A1 से लेके ई कॉलम 423 तक जाओ, बट देर आर डॉलर साइंस इन बिटवीन. आपके फार्मूला में ये डॉलर साइन नहीं आ रहा होगा. देख लो, चेक
Yeah.
करो.
No dollar sign.
नहीं आ रहा ना. ये दिस डॉलर साइन इज टू फ्रीज दिस टेबल कि मैं कहीं तक भी ड्रैग करके चला. रिमेंबर, जब मैं ड्रैग करता हूं तो इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज इंडिसेस. फॉर K1 it will take H1, for K4 it will take H4 and so on. Yes, I don't want that to happen now. मेरे को ये फ्रीज चाहिए, मेरे को वो टेबल बार बार चेंज नहीं करना है. To insert this dollar sign you can press F4 directly. Just select it and press F4 and it will happen. Or maybe while selecting the table you can use Control Shift utility rather than dragging. ठीक है, ट्राई करके देख लीजिए.
Yeah, so okay.
Happening?
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So this way now I can fetch multiple tables and they are put together now, and maybe I can do some kind of analysis further. तो मेरे पास कस्टमर्स की एज भी है और कस्टमर्स का जेंडर भी है इन दैट मास्टर डेटा. एंड एज जिन लोगों से आ गया होगा, nothing much of difference. I just have to change it to 5. And I can get the age also. Very similar exercise. So all the customers' age is available. Some customers जिनका कस्टमर आईडी अवेलेबल नहीं है, उनके लिए आपको ये डेटा भी नहीं मिल पाएगा. ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज उसको जो वर्टिकल लुकअप वो कर रहा था, उसको सही बात है ना, कस्टमर आईडी यहाँ पर NA करके आ रहा है. तो जिनका कस्टमर आईडी उसको नहीं मिला तो ऑब्वियसली वो उनका डेटा भी फैच नहीं कर पाए. So this is a problem of what? Can you tell me? We talked about data anomalies. Remember, missing records. So that is what is happening here. When record is missing, now it becomes very difficult to make sense of any kind of data, any kind of information. But okay, other than that, most of the things are sorted enough. Now a very tiny exercise for you people before we proceed to anything else. There is a lot of statistics which can be done. Time is a constant right now, so I cannot go to there. But if and only if try this out. There is data tab. If I click here on data, most of you should be able to see, but if somebody is not able to see, just tell me. And in data tab, there are several options, and in the last there is something data analysis. Do you see that? If somebody doesn't see, please apprise me. If somebody is not able to see this, please apprise me. Click on Data tab on the tab on the top. Is your tools menu. And do you see this data analysis tab? It contains several options. No. Line se no aa raha hai. Anybody who is having this? Those who are having this?
Sir, I have.
Okay, few of you have, most of you don't have. Okay, let's do a trick. Let's try it if it works out. Let's try it along with me. Just pay attention and try it out. Click on Files. Click on File here. It will take you to the home screen. There are several options, and down below there is Options. Interface may be a little bit different, but it should look like something like this. On the Files tab, last one is Options, and if I click on that Options, it will throw a pop-up. Everybody can see this pop-up?
Yes, sir.
There are several options here in the pop-up, and there is something add-ins. Add-ins.
Yes, sir.
Everybody here? Everybody here along with me? So in this Manage Excel add-ins, there must be something like Analysis Toolpack.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You got that?
Got it.
Okay, please select it. Select it and OK. Analysis Toolpack. Don't worry about everything else, just Analysis Toolpack, this one. This one is what we are interested in for now. So choose this Analysis Toolpack and OK. And do you see it now?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Anybody who still doesn't see it?
No, sir, it's still not coming.
This must be the problem of 2007 version. जिनका 2007 वर्जन चल रहा है, मोस्टली उन लोगों का प्रॉब्लम होगा.
Sir, I have 2019 version, sir, फिर भी नहीं आ रहा.
एनालिसिस टूल पैक सिलेक्ट करने के बाद गो पर क्लिक करा कि नहीं, उससे डायरेक्ट ओके पे क्लिक कर दोगे तो नहीं आएगा. गो पे क्लिक करना पड़ेगा, फिर उसमें आगे सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा.
I think I should make one of you presenter. How don't know. Umar, Utkarsh, you have 2016 version. This should do just fine. Utkarsh, can you switch on mic?
Yes, sir. The thing which Vasu was telling is right. I tried that and it worked. You have to click on Go first, then select Analysis Toolpack.
Okay. So it is happening finally.
Yes, sir. It's rectified.
Go to File, go to Options, go to Add-ins, select Excel Add-ins. You click on Go, and there are several options: Analysis Toolpack, Analysis VBA, this and that. So we are not interested in Solver, etc. for now. This Analysis Toolpack clicking OK, and this should appear. Depending upon interface, maybe you will have to do some hit and trial. थोड़ा बहुत hit and trial हो सकता है, but maybe everybody will be able to find it out. Now, अभी भी कोई बाकी है जिससे नहीं हो पाया ये? Is there anybody who didn't get it? Anybody one such who still somebody was saying something, but the voice was muffled.
Sir, please repeat once more the steps.
Acha, Ali, yeah, sure. You go to File tab. You go
Yes,
to Options tab in File.
Yes, sir.
Just maybe follow along with me. Maybe you will find out. You go to Options tab.
Yes, sir.
This kind of pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, you will find add-ins.
Yes,
So
sir.
add-ins is nothing but add-ins is something additional. So there is one default version of Excel, and there can be some add-ins if you require. So you see in my list there are appearing so many add-ins like this. Maybe you can also see mostly they are inactive.
Yes, sir.
Analysis toolpack is something which I want to be active.
Okay, sir.
So add-ins, and down below there is manage Excel add-ins. There can be some online add-ins also. So for now let's stick to Excel add-ins, and if I click go, it will give another pop-up, and we can choose whichever I want to activate. So for now I want to activate analysis toolpack. So I check that and click OK. So in your case, this interface may be a little bit different.
Yes, sir.
Pop-up may look a little bit different, but most of the things maybe you will figure it out.
Yes.
ठीक है, Jayant, you too got it?
So file option is, I'm not getting the file option.
Didn't get you entirely, Jayant. Okay, you are host now. Please host the stream. Let's see.
Now
What
audible,
is
sir?
exactly happening? Huh? Okay, for once
Where I
you are
have to-
using Windows 7.
This is 2007.
Yes, sir.
So Jayant, I would recommend that because soon enough, अभी फिर भी टाइम है, एक्सेल तो हम थोड़ा बहुत कर लेंगे इसमें, नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट, लेकिन विंडोज 7 आपको दुख देने वाला है जल्दी ही, सो बेटर अपग्रेड योर विंडोज. आप लोगों को थोड़ा अंदाजा है, किसी ने बात की है आप लोगों ने? मे बी इफ यू आस्क समबडी, क्या आपका कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कैसा लगेगा आप लोगों को मशीन? The machine
No,
should be
sir.
at
No,
least
sir.
Windows 8 or Windows 10 would be the best. There should be 4 GB RAM is minimum. If it is 8 GB, better. 4 GB will just do fine. But since आपके Hadoop और Big Data भी आएंगे, उस समय वो परेशान करता है कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. तो अभी के लिए 4 GB चलेगा, no problem. बट विंडोज तो बिकॉज दीज टूल्स जो आप डाउनलोड करने वाले हैं अभी, यू विल बी डाउनलोडिंग सीक्वल, यू विल बी डाउनलोडिंग एनाकोंडा, तो 7 वर्जन पे अच्छा काम नहीं करते ये जैन.
सर सीक्वल सर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस से भी चल जाएगा ना?
सीक्वल नहीं, आपके करिकुलम में इट इज बाय MySQL वर्कबेंच.
MySQL
जी. सो एक्सेस चल जाता है और आसानी से हो जाता है, बट दैट यू कैन प्ले अराउंड लेटर ऑन, बिकॉज जो भी आपका ट्रेनर रहेगा वो तो करिकुलम के हिसाब से ही चलेगा. सो करिकुलम में इट इज बाय MySQL वर्कबेंच, तो वर्कबेंच ही यूज करेंगे आप. most probably.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है जयंत, don't worry about it for now. So nothing worrisome as of now. It is good that I got to see this, and you still have time. So before coming to other tools, so within this weekend maybe you can get this upgraded. ठीक है?
Yes.
Windows 10 इंस्टॉल करा लीजिए एटलीस्ट. ओके. ओके ठीक है सर. so much about
Sir,
Excel. अभी
actually, sir, I have Windows. Sir, sorry, sir. Actually, I have Windows 7. Sir, is it possible? Like, it has any problem, sir? If I will do in Windows 7, sir.
हाँ वही तो बता रहा हूँ जयन. जो आप टूल्स अभी डाउनलोड करने वाले हो दे आर नॉट compatible with Windows 7. Windows 7 जयन, there have been 14 years. ठीक है. Everybody has been doing something for 14 years. Anaconda, Python, R, SQL. So they are no more compatible with Windows 7. तो उनकी DLL फाइल वगैरह वो मिसमैच हो जाती है. आपको या तो उनके पुराने वर्जन पे काम करना होगा. It is not that you cannot work, you can work, but मेरे कहने का मतलब है कहीं ना कहीं मिसमैच आएगा. और कहीं ना कहीं आप ही परेशान हो गए ना यार उससे. यस और नो. आपका ट्रेनर कुछ कर रहा होगा, बाकी सब लोग कुछ कर रहे होंगे.
Yes.
जस्ट बिकॉज आपका वर्जन मैच नहीं कर रहा है इस वजह से कुछ और चल रहा होगा आपके पास. सो एवरी नाउ एंड देन देयर विल बी ट्वीक. और भी है क्या कोई विंडोज 7 वाला? और कोई तो नहीं है? हाँ
Sir,
ओके.
sir, I have a query. Sir, in offline classes, will we need to bring a laptop or not? If in case lockdown is over and in offline classes,
हाँ आप मशीन लेकर के आते हैं वहाँ पर.
so you will not provide us any machine.
Machines are not provided at the center. मशीन्स आप अपने मशीन्स लेकर के आते हैं वहाँ पर.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have PC.
And sir, in case if someone has desktop, then
And buy your laptop.
As simple as that. What else do you want me to say? Maybe buy a laptop. Maybe hire one. डेस्कटॉप किसके पास होता है बे? कहते मेरी परीक्षा ले रहोगे आज हैं? डेस्कटॉप का जमाना लग गया बरसों पहले. देखने के लिए भी नहीं मिलता आजकल. पता कहाँ मिलता है? SBI में, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा.
नहीं सर, वहाँ पे भी सर अब अपग्रेडेशन हो गया.
चलो ठीक है. तो ठीक है. एनालिसिस टूल पैक जो हमने अनलोड किया है, ये दिस कम्स इट्स यूटिलिटी इज इन, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू, देयर आर सो मेनी स्टैटिस्टिकल टेक्स्ट. आई डोंट नो, सुना है ये नाम? अनोवा, कोरिलेशन, स्टैटिस्टिक्स, फोरियर एनालिसिस, ठीक है, जी टेस्ट. कुछ नाम ही सुने हो, मतलब गलती से सिर्फ नाम सुने हो. मैं उनकी बात कर रहा हूँ। अगर नहीं भी पता तो भी कोई बात नहीं है, बस नाम सुने हो। कि ये भी कुछ होते हैं, these are some statistical entities here. हाँ, these are all some statistical entities. इनका कैलकुलेशन कैसे होता है, कब काम आते हैं, क्यों आते हैं। So anyway, there will be a statistical a session for statistics altogether. So you will get to know what is what. But this was just to show that even these kind of things are available in Excel. कहने का मतलब ये है कि हल्के में मत लो एक्सेल को, बहुत काम होता है एक्सेल में। If time will allow, I will show you that Excel can do some predictive analytics also. You'll see. We have used these facilities in my sales career. I have used Excel for sales forecast, and it turned out very effective. If time will allow, we will see that. Something for थोड़ा सा मसाला आप लोगों के लिए। Now you have two data sets. You have customers data set also. अभी तक हमने थोड़ा सा pivot table क्या करके देखा था। We were just creating some summaries according to country and according to product category. जितना हमें पता था उतना ही पता था और क्या करते। But now you know that I can fetch that customer's data here, like gender, like age. So your little homework is, your small homework is that depending upon these demographics of customers, we can use gender, we can use age, we can use their what else? और का data available है वहाँ पे, और भी तो कुछ है। We have their area code, right? So can we do some analysis? Can we create some summaries? Will you try that? Not now. बिल्कुल अभी क्लास रखते ही नहीं, आराम से। Take some rest, stretch yourself,
Will you
play
please
around.
repeat what?
हाँ, शाम को जब टाइम मिले चाय वाय पी के तब देख लेना। अभी तक हमने क्या किया था, we were pivoting that table on basis of country code because वही available था, country and product category. Now I have demographics of customers and maybe now this analysis will make sense. Yes or no? मेरे कस्टमर क्या कर रहे हैं, कौन से एरिया के कस्टमर हैं जो किसी टिपिकल वे में बिहेव करते हैं। Is there any pattern I can find depending upon gender or maybe age group? So can you try some pivoting with customer demographics, not country or product, customers, according to customers. ठीक है, करके देखिएगा, देखते हैं आप क्या what you can find. And tomorrow we will spend some initial 15-20 minutes over that. ठीक है guys, fair, sounds good. So okay, very well. Maybe we can wind it up for today. Tomorrow we will again go into some theory and concepts, and we will
Sir,
see one case study or one real-time use case also.
Sir, is there any idea when will the offline classes start?
Yeah, that is well, how can I state that? Yeah, as obvious as that. Nobody knows. Tentatively, it is happening that because what currently the trend has been that yeah, active cases are reducing, so we can just be hopeful. But everything lies with government. No, nobody knows exactly.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you.
No, even that is just an estimation, you know, whether it will be July or whether it will be 2nd of July. So we can, nobody can be sure. So let's not state the obvious. You don't know, I don't know, nobody knows. So we can just be hopeful that we resume to classes and everybody, this corona thing subsides and everybody is safe and sound, and maybe soon enough. I'll see you in person. Hopefully. Chaliye. Well, guys, I think let's call it a day. We'll connect tomorrow, same time. Till then, bye bye, and take care, everybody. And yeah,
I need to just can you just tell me again that when we use VLOOKUP and I dragged every to the bottom of the column for gender thing, but it showed NA. So why was the dollar thing? What was the dollar thing again? Can you just explain that?
the dollar thing is for freezing the selection, Gaurav.
Okay.
I'll show you. If this be my Excel sheet, and I am using this order amount calculation. Sometimes I may want this, for example, just for example, I'm showing you, where do I show?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Just one moment, guys, one at a time. If I'm calculating this, Gaurang, I want to calculate this unit price multiplied by quantity price, and I'm done with this.
Yeah.
Now I see that there is G2 into E2. That means this is dynamic selection. If I drag it down, it will keep changing this index. G3 into E3. If I drag further, it will be G4 into E4. It is happening, right?
Yeah.
So sometimes I want that these should change as I change the row. Sometimes it will happen that I don't want it to change.
Okay.
For example, suppose this unit price is same for everybody. I'm just showing you. So unit price is same. This product is same. It is just varying in quantity. So I don't want now that it should vary like this. Otherwise, what will happen? If I drag, it will not find unit price here. It will give me 0. It will not find unit price here. It will give me 0. So I want it to take unit price every time from this cell. I don't want it to move to E2. Say,
okay, so G3 should be
G4 pe chala jaye. Yeah.
G2 should be started.
I want it to be froze. G2 should be settled. So to click on that G2, and if I press F4, so that is $sign doing now. Now this calculation will freeze for G2.
Okay.
Okay. So now it will be always, if I press F4 here or manually enter $. So now if I run it down below, you see, if I click here, E6, it is changing every time. E6, but G2 is as such. If I check this, you see E4, but G2 is the same.
Oh.
Okay, so that is what $sign is doing.
Okay, got.
Okay.
And so as a practice, we have to go with the pivot table.
Yeah, I am leaving the question open-ended because you should get habitual to that. Many a times problem statements will not be that clear. Okay. We have just learned that I can fetch customers data also here. And we have just learned that we can create some pivot tables, some clean summaries. I want to see what can I see. Can I see something about my customers here? अभी तक कस्टमर डेटा नहीं था. अब हमें पता है कि कस्टमर डेटा कैसे आएगा. तो अब हम कुछ पिवट कर सकते हैं क्या? तो that is what is your practice is about.
Sure.
Sir, our mark. Sir.
Yes.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Vasu.
Sir, is MySQL is available for free, or we will have to take subscription of it?
MySQL, no, you will be using open source for it. You don't need to pay for that for now.
And what about Tableau?
I mean that you can. Okay, let your trainer worry about that. You don't have to worry about it.
Okay, okay. So he will be worrying about the installation process.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Before we depart, okay. 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 Very well, guys. Okay, fine.
Sir, will it be 3-hour class for the whole week, or like will it change to 4 hours Sunday?
It will change by next week, guys, because it is because of my availability. I am into certain calls. That is why I have only 3 hours slot open. So by within next week, it will improve. It will happen 4 hours.
Sure,
Next
sir.
week.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
We usually reduce the duration in initial classes because everybody is not handy with Zoom meeting, and sometimes there is network glitch and things like this version of Windows, this version of tools. So these troubleshooting kind of things. That is why we keep these sessions short. We don't try to cover way too much information in that. So within a week, everybody is at a comfortable platform, and we are good to go. So that will happen. Okay,
Sir,
guys.
like in gradebook, sir, in gradebook there are so many recorded videos, sir, over there.
In gradebook, in
So
LMS,
like
you mean?
we can use, sorry, in LMS.
What about that?
So we can use such videos, sir. Like we have, sir, like MS Excel. There are so many recorded video over there.
Yeah, there are pre-recorded sessions. Of course, they are for you people. What are you waiting for? They are your self-paced learning. Whenever you get time, maybe watch a couple of videos. They are 10-15 minutes videos, and maybe you can leverage that. So don't wait for me to communicate that, okay? If you have access, you can start off right away.
Okay.
Okay, very fine, guys. So, yeah. Sounds good then. Well, guys, bye-bye. And yeah, very welcome. Very welcome, everybody, those who are thanking me. Chalo. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye, all.